need to evaluate the surface integral where S is the surface of the cube with these given limits. Right? Okay. Let V be the region enclosed by S then by Gauss's divergence theorem the given surface integral is equal to the volume integral of divergence of the same dV. For the divergence we write the partial derivative of first component with respect to x plus the partial derivative of second component with respect to y plus the partial derivative of third component with respect to z. Right? So this is equal to the volume integral is your triple integral, right? Okay. Partial derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x plus partial derivative of y square with respect to y is 2y and the partial derivative of third component with respect to z is 2xy minus 2x minus 2y and then dx dy dz. Limits of x and yz already given to us from 0 to 1. So this is from 0 to 1. So this 2x cancelled out with negative 2x, 2y cancelled out with negative 2y and we are having the integrand as 2xy. Either you can integrate this with respect to first x and then y and then z, or you can also write this triple integral as taking 2 outside of this integral from 0 to 1 integration x dx multiplied with 0 to 1 integration y dy multiplied with 0 to 1 integration 1 dz. You can also write like this. So this is 2. Okay, this integration is x squared divided by 2 from 0 to 1 limits. This integration is y squared divided by 2 from 0 to 1 limits. And from here we get z from 0 to 1. So twice of, alright. Putting the upper limit we get 1 divided by 2 minus, putting the lower limit we get 0. And from here also same, 1/2 minus 0 and here we get 1 minus 0. So this is equal to twice of, okay, this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1. That is 1 by 4 and that is equal to 1/2 as a required answer for the given integral. Alright, thank you. And now the time for the thought of the day. Make your nature like a lamp that lightens a poor person's hut to the same extent as it would a king's palace, which means we should treat everyone equally. So from today onwards, let's treat everyone equally. So take this as your homework. Alright, thank you, stay blessed.